Hey guys, welcome back with another cringy intro. I am really awesome. I'm here with my good friend, Mr. Llama. Okay. So, today we built this survival shelter fort. This is going on my second channel, Really Awesome Vlogging. Welcome to the channel, guys. Please be sure to subscribe and hit that like button. Okay. So it's kind of like dark right now. And Mr. Llama and I, we're going to check it out.
Hello.
Okay. So, it's good. It has the chairs over here on the top. And the only bad thing is where this could get in over there, through here. Show you the interior.
But what are the chances it's going to happen?
The chances...
50-50.
Yeah, it's 50-50. So that's the interior, guys. Mr. Llama, come on in. Okay, wait. Oh, this is really hard. This is like really hard. Okay. Okay. So, Mr. Llama's crawling in. So, okay.
I do not know where I'm going.
Okay. Ow. There you just get in, Mr. Llama. Okay. I'll crawl into my little space. Okay. Mr. Llama, are you okay?
No, I'm stuck.
Okay.
Oh, I'm not as tiny as you. Also, my head is very big.
Okay. Ah! Mr. Llama, I can only see purple. Okay. Mr. Llama
I think I got it.
Okay.
Where's the bucket cart?
The bucket cart? What's the bucket cart?
Where we put the bucket?
What bucket?
That's the thing.
What
The
do you
big
mean?
container thingy.
Oh, where is that? Maybe that's why there's no room.
I would like that right now.
Mr. Llama, would you like to be the cameraman
Sure.
while I fix it? Okay. Hi guys. Okay, back out. Wait,
We are going to leave this confinement. Ow, I'm stuck. Sorry for the view, I'm stuck. Okay, I'm almost there.
Mr. Llama, please don't break my iPad.
I'm not, I'm trying to scooch. Ow.
I'm out.
Fuck.
Mr. Llama, I can take the camera.
Okay,
Woo! Mr. Llama's like a little bit.
that's tough.
Just look at him. Okay. We also have walkie-talkies. Okay, Mr. Llama, you care to be the cameraman for a second?
Do you read? Okay, 1 second.
Okay. Be the cameraman.
Got it.
Okay. Mr. Llama has taken care of the camera. Now we're going to try and fix this. But how are we supposed to fix it with all the mats on?
We don't. It's fine.
Oh.
Who cares?
Okay. Well, since it doesn't seem to be raining, we're going to use the hose. I didn't want to do this.
This is a very bad idea,
Yeah, I know.
Mr. Not Llama.
Come on. Let's wait, back up. There's some wicked ninja skills. Want power? Wicked ninja skills. Hose. Okay. Where is the hose? The hose is over there.
Did you lose your hose?
Oh, it's over here. Wait, I want you to turn the water. I want you to turn the water when I see it.
How do I get in there?
You just walk in.
Through it? Okay. Should I do it?
Not yet. Okay, now.
Is it on?
Yeah.
Okay, we got it. Don't spray. If you spray, I'm using your iPad as a shield.
Okay. What?
If you spray at me, I'm using your iPad as a shield.
Fair enough. Okay. We're going to put it at, let's start off with mist, and then we'll go to shower.
Yeah.
Okay. So, Mr. Llama, you're gonna have to.
Mr. Llama is not
you
going
just
anywhere
do that.
close.
You do that, okay?
Oh wait, can Mr. Llama do the honors?
Of
Spraying.
spraying it. Yeah. So let me get in the
Yeah.
fort.
Wait, hold that. Don't show.
Okay. Okay. Listen, I'm going in, guys. I'll tell you when. Okay.
Wait.
Okay. Wait. I'll slide you guys in there. No. I'm sorry. Okay. Wait. Wait. I'm almost ready. Go for it. Nothing. A little bit of leakage, but not really anything.
Shower?
Yeah, go shower. Ah! 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 Oh, there's water leaking. Oh, there's water leaking. Stop! Stop it! Stop it! Holy! No, stop!
Did I do good?
Yes, but there's water all over my shoes, and I can't get out because it's so wet. Oh my God.
That's why I didn't want to go in there.
But if we made it better, it would have survived the rain.
Well, we used like foam squares, so we did good.
Yeah, we did good.
Oh wow, it's soaked in there.
Yeah, I know. Say hi.
Here, give Mr. Llama your iPad.
Okay. I don't know, my butt's all wet.
And I don't want to get wet, so come. Is your iPad all wet?
Kind of.
I'll wipe it.
Wow, that actually worked.
I know. I have a very soft phone.
How wet am I?
You're not too wet.
Not too wet. It'll dry. Okay,
Gotta dry this a bit more.
you know what we should do?
What?
We should do it again. Get the view from you.
Wait, I go in there?
No, none of us goes in there, but we can look like I can see what it was like. And the viewers haven't seen, they just saw darkness.
So
Okay,
what do
so-
I do?
So you just gotta like look at the fort.
Just look at it?
Right, yeah. So
I
let's
saw
start
it.
off with mist.
I already saw. Oh, the viewers are gonna see what it looks like?
Okay. And then let's go shower. Wow.
You're wetting your house.
I'm surprised I didn't really get that soaked. It's going through.
I was spraying it like directly at it.
Oh, you were like this?
Yeah. That'll
It's
do
better
it.
if you do it like that because then it simulates rain. Doesn't it?
Oh well.
How wet is it?
Where?
I'm gonna check how wet it is.
I'll show
Oh,
the
I am so glad you didn't do it from the top.
Oh my
I am
god!
so glad.
Look
at that.
You guys have to see. Look how wet
Look
that
how
is.
wet
in
that
there.
is.
It's hard for you guys to see it, but right now it is soaked in there.
If I was in there and you actually simulated rain, this would not have been the best fort.
Yeah. Our expectations were way too high for when we built this thing. Then again, look what it's made out of. It's like
Made of this thing, and then this thingamabobber, and then this thingamajig.
like this thing's a piece of junk.
and then this
So we're not surprised it didn't work.
Yeah. Okay.
Mr. Llama, attack!
No!
I shall simulate